Hi friends, today we discuss simple, compound and complex sentences. Very important grammar topic. It is very useful for competition exams also. Okay, so simple, compound and complex sentence. Right. So what is simple sentence? The simple sentence, the structure of the simple sentence is one phrase and one main clause. One phrase and one main clause. Okay, simple sentence. The structure of the simple sentence is one or more phrases, one main clause. One or more phrases and one main clause. Next, compound sentence. The compound sentence structure is one main clause and one main clause means two main clauses are combined with coordinate conjunction. Okay, coordinate conjunction. Two main clauses are combined with coordinative conjunction, right? Okay, simple sentence. The structure of the simple sentence is one phrase and one main clause. One phrase and one main clause is simple sentence. Compound sentence structure, two main clauses, one main clause and one main clause. Two main clauses combined with coordinative conjunctions. Next, complex sentence structure. The structure of the complex sentence is one subordinate clause and one main clause. Okay, simple sentence, simple, compound and complex sentence. So before going to learn this topic, first we should know what is a simple sentence, what is a compound sentence and what is a complex sentence, right? The structure of the simple sentence is one or more phrases, one main clause. Compound sentence, one main clause and one main clause. That means two main clauses combined with coordinative conjunction. Next, complex sentence means one or more subordinate clauses and one main clause. So, and again we should know what is a phrase. And what is a clause, and what is main clause and what is subordinate clause. We should know what is a phrase, what is a clause and what is main clause and what is subordinate clause. So let us discuss clearly here phrase and clause, main clause and subordinate clause. Okay, so phrase. What is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which does not have subject and predicate. Okay, what is a phrase? Phrase means a group of words which does not have subject and predicate. For example, in spite of his poverty. It is a phrase. Okay, instead of. Okay, group of words. In spite, one word. Of, one word. His, another word. Poverty, another word. Okay, group of words which does not have a subject and which does not have a predicate. So this is the example for phrase. Next, clause. What is a clause? Clause is a group of words which may or may not give complete meaning. Okay, every clause should have, the clause should have subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Subject and predicate. Okay. So sometimes clause gives complete meaning. Sometimes clause does not give complete meaning. If the clause gives complete meaning, that is main clause. If the clause gives complete meaning, that is main clause. If the clause does not give complete meaning, that is subordinate clause. Okay. So clause sometimes gives complete meaning, sometimes it does not give complete meaning. If the clause gives complete meaning, that is main clause. That is main clause. Okay, generally in main clause, the structure of the main clause is subject, verb and object. Subject, verb and object. What is subordinate clause? Subordinate clause does not give complete meaning. Subordinate clause does not give complete meaning. The structure of the subordinate clause is subordinative conjunction, subordinative conjunction, subordinative conjunction, subject and verb. Okay, so subordinate clause does not give complete meaning. Subordinate clause does not give complete meaning. So subordinate clause is dependent clause. Subordinate clause is known as dependent clause. Main clause is independent clause. Okay, main clause is independent clause. Main clause and subordinate clause. Then what is a clause and what is a phrase? These are the important topics we should know, which we should know before going to learn simple, compound and complex sentences. Okay, so till now we discuss what is a simple sentence. The simple sentence means the simple sentence contains one or more phrases and one main clause. One or more phrases and one main clause. Next, what is the structure of the compound sentence? In compound sentence, generally two main clauses are combined with co-ordinative conjunction. Two main clauses are combined with co-ordinative conjunction. Okay, two main clauses are combined with co-ordinative conjunction. What are coordinative conjunctions? For example, and, but, or, so, because. Okay, right. These are the examples for coordinative conjunction. Next, what is complex sentence? The structure of the complex sentence is one or more subordinate clauses and one main clause. One or more subordinate clauses and one main clause. What is a main clause? Main clause is a clause which should have subject and finite verb. Subject and finite verb. It gives complete meaning. So main clause is independent clause. It does not depend on others. What is subordinate clause? Subordinate clause is a clause which does not give complete meaning. It should have a subject and finite verb, but it does not give complete meaning. It does not give complete meaning. Okay, so subordinate clause is dependent clause. Subordinate clause is dependent clause. So these are the explanations of simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence. And what is a phrase? Phrase is a group of words which does not give complete meaning and it should not have any subject and predicate. Next, what is a clause? Clause is a group of words which should have subject and predicate. Clause sometimes gives complete meaning. If the clause gives complete meaning, it is a main clause. If the clause does not give complete meaning, it is a subordinate clause. Okay, main clause and subordinate clause. Main clause is independent clause, subordinate clause is dependent clause. So now let us discuss the models of simple, compound and complex sentences. Simple, compound and complex sentences. There are 6 models in simple, compound, complex. Let us discuss the first model, model 1. So in model 1, simple sentence, phrase, keywords, in spite of. In simple sentence, the phrase is in spite of. Next, compound sentence, coordinative conjunctions are but or yet. But or yet. Compound sentence, the coordinative conjunctions are but or yet. Next, in complex sentence, the subordinative conjunctions are although, or though. though or although. So let us discuss with one example. For example, in spite of his popularity, in spite of his popularity, in spite of his popularity, he was defeated. He was defeated in the elections. In spite of his popularity, he was defeated in the elections. This is simple sentence, right? What is the structure of the simple sentence? One phrase. In spite of his popularity is a phrase. Next, he was defeated in the elections. One main clause. Okay, here he is a subject and it has a finite verb, that is defeated. Next, it gives complete meaning. Okay, so subject, finite verb, and the sentence gives complete meaning. So this is main clause. So one phrase and one main clause. Now let us change this simple sentence into compound sentence. Okay, generally in compound sentence, to write a compound sentence, we need two main clauses. Two main clauses. Here already we have one main clause. So we have to change this phrase into one main clause. Okay, so in spite of his popularity. So what is the subject here? He. He, right? This is in past tense. He was defeated in the elections. So he was popular. He was popular. This is one main clause. He was popular. He was popular and he was defeated in the elections. Okay, he was popular, one main clause. He was defeated in the elections, another main clause. Two main clauses are combined with these coordinative conjunctions, but or yet. So for example, here we write the coordinative conjunction but. So he was popular, but he was defeated in the elections. He was popular, but he was defeated in the elections. This is compound sentence. Okay, two main clauses are combined with the coordinative conjunction. He was popular, but he was defeated in the elections. Next, now we are going to write the complex sentence. So generally in complex sentence, we should have one subordinate clause or one or more subordinate clauses and one main clause. Already we have one main clause. So now we write with subordinate clause. So generally subordinate clause begin with subordinative conjunction, that is although or though in this model. So begin with although. Although is subordinative conjunction. Although he was popular, although he was popular, although he was popular, he was defeated. Although he was popular, he was defeated in the elections. He was defeated in the elections. Okay, this is model 1. In model 1, the simple sentence phrase is in spite of. In compound sentence, coordinative conjunctions are but or yet. In complex sentence, subordinative conjunctions although or though. So, in spite of his popularity, he was defeated in the elections. This is simple sentence. He was popular, but he was defeated in the elections. Compound sentence. Okay, two main clauses are combined with the coordinative conjunction but. Next, in complex sentence, the subordinate clause is although he was popular. It does not give complete meaning. Okay, although he was popular. This is subordinate clause and already we have one main clause in the compound sentence, that is he was defeated in the elections. Once you observe, in simple sentence, compound sentence and complex sentence, one main clause is common. There is no change in the one main clause. Just we have to change according to situation. Just we have to change the phrase into one main clause. If we change the positive simple sentence into compound, then we change the phrase into subordinate clause. If you want to change the simple sentence into complex sentence. Okay, this is model 1. Okay, I hope you can understand well this class. Thank you. Please watch my video. If you like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.